Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an update for the Budget Beauties Project Pan. I'll go ahead and leave my intro down below. I will say I did forget to make marks on some of the products that are trackable. Real quick, if you're new, I'd love for you to join the fam, so hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so you know when my next video goes up. So in my first video, I'm not sure if I mentioned it or not, or it might be in the description box, but this is a huge collab, and so if you want to go and hunt down, I think it's the hashtag Budget Beauties or something like that, or I think I've listed some channels in the intro. If you're into this type of stuff, you can go on their channels, and people should start rolling out their first updates. So this one is mine. Of course, we can't see any progress, but this is the Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume, and I thought it was Crazy Volume and Curl, but it's just Crazy Volume Mascara. Can't see progress, obviously, but the typical lifespan of a mascara is about 3, sometimes 6 months. This one says 6 months, but I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it at the end of the project just because I have a crap ton of mascara I need to get through. The lip product is from which actually that's a mascara I'm wearing right now. So all my Project Pan items except for one of them I am wearing today. This is the lipstick that I'm wearing right now from Wet n Wild, and it is the liquid Catsuit in the shade Give Me Mocha. I feel like it's starting to get dry, so maybe if I just let it keep getting dry, then I can reach the end of this lipstick faster. Also, sorry if I sound different, by the way. I've just been under the weather with allergies, and I'm barely starting to feel a little bit better, so bear with me. Also, I'm trying to see something new with my lighting. I'm trying to play with my lighting, and so I don't have any light on in the background, so we'll see how this translates on camera, but that's besides the point. Next in here, which I guess I'll go ahead and tell you guys, is the highlighter that I'm not wearing today. It's from Wet n Wild. It is now called Boozy Brunch, but this one is the Fergie collab called Hollywood Boulevard. I am starting to, I don't know, not really get like a dip. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm just working on this little corner right here. You should be able to see progress by the next update, but for right now, only like in real life I can see the progress, but my camera has a hard time translating progress across the screen. So the next one in here that also doesn't show progress will be the City Color Be Matte Blush in the shade Toasted Coconut. I don't plan on panning this completely, just trying to rotate through my blushes. So when I do a major project pan, I'm going to throw in a blush just to kind of rotate it in. The other two that I know I have been making major progress on, which I totally forgot to make marks, but this one is from the City Color collection. Again, it's the contour stick. I'm not using the highlight side down here. That's trash. But I am using the top. I figured I could like measure it using my finger like so. And then another kind of bronzing type of product, contour product. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and there is my progress so far. I will say, I don't know if it's this bronzer, and I'm not super violent with my brush. I just take it and literally I just like swirl it like this because I'm trying to polish off, like hit pan on a corner. Or a circle doesn't have a corner, but I'm trying to hit pan like, you know, on the edge of it. So I've just been spinning my brush in there and then just like applying the product like so. But it's starting to crumble. Like, I don't know if you can see where it's already broken off, like up here, like this little area. I was going to freak out because I thought that it was going to just start crumbling even more. So I've been kind of more gentle. Like I said, I'm not super violent, but I think compared to the first intro I have had made significant progress on that. Well, not super significant, but I am gonna try to like make huge pan in this bronzer right here. I don't have any new goals set as of right now. Everything's still pretty much the same. I just hope to see a little bit more of a dip in my highlighter, probably like more pan in this one. We'll see. If you're into project panning, I will link my project panning playlist down below. I'm also going to leave the products listed down below like I usually do in my project pans, just in case you're curious on trying anything. Other than that, that is it for this update. Have an awesome Thanksgiving with your friends, with your family. If you're working, I've been there. The struggle, oh my gosh. I worked retail, so I know what it's like to have to go back to work the evening of Thanksgiving, or if you work during the day on Thanksgiving. I hope that you at least get to spend a little bit of time with your friends or family or your pets or whatever, whoever you're going to be around with. Or if you want to be by yourself, you know, away from people, that's cool too. I totally support that as well. So, all right, you guys, well, have a safe weekend. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.